I'm excited about this project to be a part of a big community of patients and young survivors and share my lived experience with them and exchange information.
To me, this network is a really good way to connect people of different backgrounds and ethnicities that are cancer survivors that would be pretty isolated otherwise. In the last few days, there's been people from over 22 countries that have shared and learned and taught really good lessons, and we're looking forward to continue with the project.
Well, actually it's the very first time where patient advocates are in the lead. This time we can define what we want to talk about, we can define how do we want to have the work done, and we can really push forward the agenda we are so passionate about.
I think it's very inspiring to meet all these people with all their stories about their experiences with childhood or adolescent cancer. I think what is really nice and important is that we are here as a community and as a voice in order to improve the quality of life of survivors. So yeah, I'm very happy to be part of that.
With this project, it is a great opportunity to get to know other patient advocates around Europe and to share experiences. And I think this was a great opportunity to strengthen our EU network of patient advocates.
I am leading one of the work packages in this project. It's about AYA, about adolescents and young adults, and I'm really happy to do this because AYA is considered a special population and we really need to work on this because we want more for this category of people for AYA care.
I'm leading one of the work packages. We're going to organize visits in 3 countries, and we want to observe how adolescents and young adults are taking care in the hospital, because we know that in Europe we don't have like special sections for this topic.
I'm especially excited about the peer visit project because we have an opportunity to set a golden standard and not only a minimal standard for AYA care and long-term follow-up for survivors across Europe and hopefully individually in each country.
Within the EU-CAYAS-NET project, I'm assisting the Youth Cancer Europe team on the work package that focuses on adolescent and young adult care, as well as on the work package that works on equity, diversity and inclusion. And I'm mainly doing the desktop research.
I'm leading the work package on equality, diversity and inclusion. We focus on mapping populations that are underrepresented. For us, it's important that we hear from them. We ensure that the project is as inclusive as possible. We also focus on accessibility, so how accessible it's for the target audience. So that's what we do in a nutshell.
I'm involved in the creation of a new platform for the project to make sure that survivors across Europe have access to resources, community and feel supported. And I'm also involved in creating new resources for equality, diversity and inclusion. It's a topic I'm extremely passionate about as a gay, non-binary person. I think it's a new movement and something that Youth Cancer Europe, CCI and the project are leading on.
I'm focusing on the transition from pediatric care to adult care. Many people, when they finish treatment, they don't have a clue where to go.
I'm leading the work on late effects and long-term follow-up care. These topics are very much combined because a lot of survivors experience late effects, up to 3/4 of survivors do. So they need proper long-term follow-up care to be able to minimize the impact of the late effects on their daily life.
I'm passionate about this project because it's an opportunity for us to finally make a change in a system that is so desperately needed right now for us, for future patients, for future generations. The main topics I'm interested in are mental health support and research, because both of those are the main pillars of our future, in my opinion.
I'm leading one of the work packages, which is about the platform. We have a very nice community that you can join and interact with the survivors and the caregivers. Just if you press there, the community link. So go to the beatcancer.eu and you will have a lot of information waiting for you.
I am honored and so happy that I can be part of the management team that is coordinating this amazing, unique and very novel project that we are having now across Europe for all these young people and their families who are affected by cancer in their childhood, in their adolescence or during young adulthood. What makes this project so unique is that young people with lived experience are in the driving seat of every step that we are taking.